don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Trying to get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this full frontal knotless braided wig. If you are yet to watch how I braid this wig, I will leave a link up there or in the description box for you to click and watch. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install it, or rather how I install it, because there are so many ways to install frontal wig. I'm going to be showing you how I install mine. First, I'm using my edge control to brush down my bushy hair. I'm using it to brush down my bushy hairline. So this is the first thing I'm going to be doing. Then cover it and apply my ghost bond. I'm applying the ghost bond directly on the wig cap. After then, I massage the bond in a way that it will easily dry off. So I massage the bond, then allow it to dry. I'm going to be using my hand dryer to make the process easier and faster. Okay, I'm cutting the excess wig cap that covered my ear. I'm cutting both sides. And after that, I'm going to be cutting the front part. I'm applying a dark shade powder on the wig cap so it blends with my skin tone. Then I'm going to be applying my foundation while I allow the bone to kind of dry off. I decided to do a little touches, a little makeup on my face while installing this. So I'm going to be cutting the front part, the lace net at the front. I'm going to be cutting it out. If you have followed my video when I was doing the braided wig, I talked about prepping the wig cap. So I'm going to be cutting the ear side. Like you have seen, I've cut it out. The ear side that I talked about prepping, I've cut it out. This to allow the installation to be done properly. So this is the ear. You won't be seeing any lace net at the ear side because of the cutting. Okay, I noticed that the gum I applied, the bond that I applied is not gumming again. So I'm going to apply back the ghost bond directly to the place I've applied it previously. I'm going to apply it back. Now I'm going to be placing the braided wig to the place I have applied the bond. So as I place it, I press it down. As I place it, I press it down. In order to make it to stick well, I'm going to be using elastic band to tie it. I'm going to be tying it, allow it to stay for minutes, then come back and remove it.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate.
For the edges, I'm going to be cutting it out. I'm going to be cutting half of it. For this one, I'm going to style it with my edge control. This is how it looks. This is the final look. It can last you for like 4 days or more, and you can use oil to remove it. This is a quick installation. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to be part of the family and for more amazing content. So leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this wig. See you in my next video. Bye.